thinks though, man, he's a fucking king.
If
You know,
I'm not mistaken,
You made it.
shut
I
up,
think Tommy
Freddie.
just hopped in the fucking shower.
Good job. Good job sucking
He
dick,
brushed
Big
his
J.
teeth and was cooking Big J. He cleaned his ears with Q-tips and was cooking Big J.
Wow, Tommy.
Now this nigga's in the shower cooking Big J. Hangouts is going to a whole new level, everybody. I don't know.
In other words, let me say it like
Big J.
what we got
This
is
nigga Chris is
people
in bed.
using
Freddie's probably wearing a mask
pain
and an
of other
afro.
individuals.
Flash looks like it's gone.
Make money, to make fame off,
Get out that room,
it's not just
Your big
the
old
guy
ass.
who's on this Google Hangout. We got people like Paul M. We got people like Ken Oregon of a Cod. We got all these men who like to make money and attention off of pain of other people. Like McDonald's? They make laws about it. And we got these black matriarchs on YouTube. These are crazy black bitches on YouTube. And these crazy white feminine bitches.
This nigga is in the fucking shower. I had to show this part. This nigga's in the shower, yo. What the f...
Black bitches going on to the UN.
I usually don't make Tommy a point in my videos. But I'm going to have to after this shit. Because I guess people missed this one last night. This shit is fucking new levels. New levels of shit right here. Fucking hilarious,
I'm
man.
not just talking